Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow fluff without corn syrup. First, gather your ingredients: granulated sugar, water, egg whites, and vanilla extract. Next, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease. This is crucial for proper whipping. Finally, set up a double boiler with a heat-safe bowl over simmering water, ready for the next step. Now, let's prepare the sugar syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, without stirring, until it reaches exactly 240 degrees F. Using a candy thermometer is essential here to ensure you hit the perfect soft ball stage. This precise temperature is key for the fluff's texture. While your syrup is heating, whip 2 large egg whites in a stand mixer until they form soft peaks. Once the syrup reaches 240 degrees F, carefully and slowly drizzle it into the whipping egg whites. Continue to whip the mixture on high speed for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll see it transform into a thick, glossy, and wonderfully fluffy marshmallow consistency. To finish, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt for enhanced flavor. Your homemade marshmallow fluff is now ready. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for desserts or hot cocoa. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.